Hey everyone, this is Jerry Bold from Clair Controls. Welcome to our Clair Tech Tuesday video series. Before I get into how we're investing in the future by showing a glimpse at the new Clair Home app, I would like to just remind everybody that there is a feedback form that's out there that I put up last week where you can win a ClearVision Plus 2 megapixel camera. You can see that on my screen here. It's very easy to get involved. Just watch the video, click at the end, and fill out the feedback form, and you could be the lucky winner of a ClearVision camera. So today, what I would like to talk about is we've got a brand new Clair Home app that's coming out, and you may have seen an email or something on it. But today, I want to go through a couple of preview shots that you can see. We're pretty excited about it, and hopefully you will be too. There's a lot more than just a reskinning of the app. There's things that are going on underneath the covers, if you will. Things like the introduction of viewing real-time activity data. And what I mean by that is like security. You can view past security events. Also, there's more streamlined approach for easier navigation. So as you're going around through the app, the spaces, the menus and things are much easier, and they're much easier to access. We now show offline status right from the main page. We've also have updated control features. So let's take a quick look here. This first screen is just the what's new page. You can see that that's you can kind of tell that it's a little bit brighter. This here is one of the screenshots from an iPad. You can see it's got the more landscape there. We still have the dockable applets down below. We can still support. I've got the watermark here. There's a few more screen or scene icons that you can use that are available, and you can see everything's pretty much updated as far as the icons and the services go. This next screen here, this is taken from a mobile device. It's basically the same screen, just a different type of device that you're looking at. The next one, this is what we're calling the mega menu. So instead of going up to the right-hand side like we used to with the old app, you can now just click the side, and it brings up everything right there, so you don't have to be poking around in different areas to be able to try to navigate where you're trying to go. It makes it a lot easier and a lot cleaner. That's what it looks like on an iPad. I believe this is this one's the mobile device. This one is the iPad. They're very similar. You can see one's just a little bit larger than the other one. The inventory on a mobile device. So inventory, what that means is all the accessible services and things that you could add to your space. That's what this is showing here. All you do is you click this bottom button, and it just flips right back out into the space that you were currently on. So it's pretty neat. Same thing on the iPad itself, and up above you have device and areas. Very easy to access. This next one, this is the home activity page. This is showing the history. You can see here that there's some alarm data in here. This is brand new, so this is actually bringing in historical data and things right to your app. This is the alarm history from a mobile device. It's the same history, just a smaller screenshot just to show you what this looks like. And next, looks like we've got the audio. This has changed a little bit. The icons are different. It's just a little bit easier to navigate. I like what they've done here. It's pretty cool. Next one, we have the breakfast. This is a dimmer. Now, with the dimmer, it used to take up the full screen when you would enter, touch the dimmer. On a mobile device, it would open up and be an elongated, just a long button there. Now you have on off, so you can immediately turn it on and off. Then you've got your slider down below. By the way, next week or the week after, I will be going through an in-depth look at the app. So stay tuned for that as well. I'll be doing, a little more detail. This next page, we do show devices that are offline now right in the main app. You don't have to go into any of our other apps to be able to see, or into Fusion or anything like that. You can tell right from the page. Right here, you can see that it's a thermostat and tells you that it's offline. That's just some data that we didn't have before to show right on the main app itself. Next is security. You see that it's changed quite a bit here. There's a lot of changes that have been made. It's easier to read. It's a little bit easier on the eye. Here's just a regular switch. You can see that this has also changed. It's no longer opening up the full page. Of course, it turns yellow, when the light's on. So if you're on the main page, if there's light on, you'll see that icon is lit up. The thermostat, that's changed a little bit as well. So that's just a quick preview. I wanted to get this out there. Like I said, we've spent a lot of time. The entire app was built in-house here at the corporate office, so we've put in a lot of time and work on the app. We'd love to hear from you if you have any ideas, things like that. This is coming up pretty quick here, so the release is right around the corner. And like I said, we're really looking forward to get rolling this out. So, and again, we're looking for your feedback. This came out last week. We did get a few responses from this, which if once you've responded with feedback, you're automatically eligible to win that camera. So if you want to go out there, I will link this feedback form again if you at the end of this video. So if you want to get involved and try to win that camera, I suggest doing so. So that's it for today, and we appreciate you tuning in to ClearTech Tuesday videos. Thank you.